Hey there! Today we're diving into a technical problem that you might encounter when working with Delphi. The issue at hand is understanding the file types used in Delphi projects, particularly when it comes to sharing libraries without exposing the source code. It's a common problem that many developers face, so let's break it down. Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. In Delphi, DCU files serve as compiled unit files that contain both interface and implementation, acting like a combo of a header file and an object file. On the other hand, BPL files are like dynamically linkable packages similar to .dll, .dylib, or .so files. Unlike C or C++, Delphi doesn't have separate header files. Instead, the interface section in the unit.pa file and the resulting .dcu file handle this role. If you have a DLL without source code, you can provide function declarations to other Delphi projects by creating an interface unit following the structure shown. To wrap it all up, understanding the file types used in Delphi projects is crucial when sharing libraries without exposing the source code. Remember, DCU files encompass both interface and implementation, while BPL files are reusable packages. And if you have a DLL without source code, creating an interface unit is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.